In this video, we'll cover the segmentation analysis, also referred to as white space analysis. This module helps you identify key business units, support units, and divisions, past and current revenue with future potential, grouped by product group or family. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Account Optimizer dashboard. Find the module name and click on it. Once it opens, you'll see the various areas of business as a friendly chart showing the historical perspective in a simple fashion. You can look at this information in either a stacked or clustered chart type. In order to input information here, you'll need to click on the Edit button at the top right. If you scroll down, you'll see those areas as an Excel spreadsheet type table with important fields. In the current year field, you should enter the expected revenue in that area of business for the current year. This should include what has been sold and what you expect to sell for the remainder of the year. In the potential field area, you should put in a total amount that reflects not only what they may purchase from you, but what products and services they may purchase from your competitors in that same area. This field shows the potential for business in that category if we were able to win it all. Once you have filled in the information for all of the affected columns, business units, or subsidiaries, click on the Save button. You can review numbers from previous years by clicking on the Years buttons that are listed in the top right. The appropriate numbers carry through from year to year on the charts. When clicking the Return button on the top right, it will return you to the Account Optimizer dashboard. Here you can hover over the graphics of the module, and it will give you the value or currency and amount for each year. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.